Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to connect our product detail fragment screen with an adapter so that we can display multiple images under this view pager. Also, we will handle the product details logic like name, size, price, and buy button. So first, we will add a new adapter for product images. So I will copy and paste the logic here, and I will explain you what we will do here, right? So here, what we did, this is a simple recycler view adapter that takes a list of images in form of URLs. This is a simple recycler view adapter, okay, that takes a list of images URLs. So inside the onCreate view holder, we are creating an image view programmatically and setting its layout params to match parent and match parent. What it will do, it will basically a fit center, okay. And under the onBind view holder, we are using Glide library, which help to show and load the images, right? Now coming back to the product detail fragment. So this is the default logic which we have not needed. So I will replace this with our actual logic. Okay. So I have added the actual logic for our product detail fragment. So here we have bind and we have also declared product image adapter, right? And also we have defined another variable that is a selected site so that the user can select a shoe size and navigate to the cart fragment. So this is a binding which we are using. If user click on back CTA, this is the back CTA, right? Back button. If user click on this back button, user should navigate to the previous screen. And here what we are doing, we are using arguments and creating a product object by reading values like name, brand, category, price, final price, discount, rating, stock, description, images, sizes, colors. So this is the correct way of passing data to a fragment using arguments. Now here, after retrieving the product object, we bind the data to our UI so that our fragment display all the key product details dynamically. Now here what we did, we connected the adapter for image slider so that user can see the product images in the view pager in product detail fragment under this, right? And we also handling the size. So here I have defined the setup size shapes. So it will help to handle the product size selection. If now coming to this logic, if user try to navigate to the buy now CTA, if they click on this buy now button without selecting this shoe size, they should get a toast message that please select a size before navigating to the cart fragment. So this is the basic logic which we are using to show the product details, right? So what we did in this video, we have successfully connected our product image adapter and we have completed the logic for the product detail fragment. Now our logic is completed. Now we need to run the logic in the emulator and see the output, whether we are navigating successfully in the cart fragment when user click on buy now CTA or not, right? All right, now our app is launched. Now we click on banner product. All right, now we are able to see the product images in the view pager. We should also see the price, but here price is not coming, right? Here we are able to see the price, but here our price is not coming. Why? Because this is happening of the type conversion. Here we are using get int, it should be get double, right? Here I will press alt plus enter to change the data type in the product model. So what we have changed here, coming to the models, there is the product. So basically here we are able to see our data type is changing to double, from int to double. So this is in double. Now let's rerun the project and see the price whether we are able to see or not in the product detail fragment screen. Banner, product. All right, now we are able to see the price. All right. So this banner is done. Now let's see from here we are navigating or not. Okay, so this is happening. Why? Because coming to the main fragment, we see an issue when navigating to the product detail fragment from main fragment. All right, so here we define the bundle, but here we not passing. That's why we are getting this error, right? So here we just pass the bundle. Now let's run the project and see the output, whether we are able to navigate from main fragment to product detail fragment. All right. Okay. Now if we click on buy now button, it will show the please select a size. If we select any shoe size and click on buy now, we should navigate to the cart fragment screen. Alright, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.